Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we discussed about modules, right? In that video, we discussed about how to create our own module and how to use that module. Make sure you watch that video and come to this video. The link of that video is in description below and above iCard. Please check it out. In this video, we are going to discuss about recursion. See the agenda? What is recursion and factorial of a number using recursion. Before getting to the topic, a small request for you friends. If you learn something from this video, please support me. Please hit the red subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. First, what is recursion? Recursion is a process of defining something in terms of itself. Python recursive function, that is any function that call itself is called recursive function. That type of function calls are called recursive calls. See this, in this we create a function f1 and inside this function we call the same function f1. This is called recursion. This recursion is used in problems like tree traversal, sorting, searching, okay? And one of the best example program of recursion is factorial of a number. We are going to discuss the code right now, okay? First, what is factorial? If n is a positive integer, n factorial denoted by n and exclamatory mark is a product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. It is denoted by n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 and n minus 2 up to 1 to 1. Okay, this is my sublime. By this, for example, 5 factorial. Okay, 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 5 factorial. Okay, like 3 factorial to 3 into 2 into 1. This is 3 factorial. By this formula, n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 1. Okay. As a special case, 0 factorial is equal to 1. Okay. See this. So observe this 5 factorial. 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? I write this like this. 5 factorial is equal to 5 into, see this, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is equal to 4 factorial, right? 4 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial. We can write like this, right? N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay. We are going to use this n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial in our code. We get into the code. First, I take a function and I name this function as fact, f-e-c-t, okay? And this function accept a value that is n, okay? If n is equal to 0, I already told you 0 factorial is 1, okay? Or n is equal to 1 factorial also 1, okay? I have to return 1, okay? Else, in any cases, if n is not equal to 0 or 1, I have to return n into fact of minus 1. This is what we discussed, right? N factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, this is the recursion. Inside this fact function, we call the fact function, right? If you remember this, inside this f1 function, we call the f1 function. Like this here also, inside this fact, we call this fact function. This is what recursion is. Okay, result is equal to factorial of n. And n value, you have to give the n value. Int input enter n value, and we have to print the result, right? So print factorial of n is comma result, right? And here all We already discussed about these operators in previous videos. If both operands are false, then the operation become false, else it is become true. I'm going to save this. I'm going to run this in my CMD. My code is in program 4.py, so program 4.py. If I enter n value, I give n value as 3. Okay. Factorial of 3 is 6, right? 3 into 2 into 1. 3 to just 6, 6 1 over 6. That is factorial of 3 is 6. I again run this code. This time I give n value as 5. See, the factorial of 5 is 120. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is equal to 120. You want me to teach more about this Python? Make sure you comment below. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. See here, I'll explain the code. When n value is 3, see here, we check the condition. N is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1. This is false, right? 3 is not equal to 0 and 3 is not equal to 1. So it enter into else block and it will return n into fact of n minus 1. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1, that is 2. N into fact of 2. See here. Now n value is 3. 3 into fact of n minus 1, that is 2, right? 2. Okay. Now here it is, you have to find fact of 2, right? So to find fact of 2, again going back to the function and check the condition. If n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1. Okay, 2 is not equal to 0 or 2 is not equal to 1, right? Then it come to else block. Return n into fact of n minus 1. In this case, n value is 2, right? So 2 into fact of n minus 1. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 2 into fact of 1. So we have to find fact of 1, right? So to find fact of 1, again is going back to the function and check the condition. If n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1. In this case, 1 is equal to 1. It became true. So one condition became true. So the OR condition is true. Okay? And it enter into if block. And inside if block, return 1. So fact of 1 become 1, right? So 1. So finally, 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. So that is our output. Factorial of 3 is 6. Okay. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.